In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort items in Monday.com fast and easy. Let's face it, getting organized is often the first step to being productive, and Monday.com makes it incredibly simple to keep all your tasks streamlined and well arranged. If you've been wondering how to efficiently sort your data in Monday.com, you're in the right place. To start, you'll want to focus on your board where your items are listed in columns. Each column represents different types of information. Now, what you want to do first is hover over the column header of the specific column you'd like to sort. This is usually the first step across many data platforms, and it helps the system know exactly where you want to apply your sorting action. As you hover over the chosen column header, watch carefully for a small down arrow icon to appear. This arrow is your gateway to sorting. Simply click on it once it reveals itself. It's subtly designed so it might not catch your eye at first. But once you spot it, clicking it is your next move. This is a great example of Monday.com's intuitive design, aimed at making navigation as smooth as possible. When the menu drops down, you'll find two options that are relevant here: Sort A to Z and Sort Z to A. These are classic options found in many data management tools. Selecting Sort A to Z will arrange your items in ascending order, which is great if you're dealing with alphabetic text or you want numbers to increase progressively. Conversely, choosing Sort Z to A will flip that order to descending, useful for when you need to have the largest numbers or the end of the alphabet listed at the top. The moment you select your preferred sorting order, you'll notice a magical change on your board. Everything in that particular column will rearrange itself according to the option you chose. This is done instantly, showcasing the efficiency built into Monday.com's system. Sorting makes it easier to pinpoint trends, prioritize tasks, or simply make your data more visually appealing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've easily sorted your items to make your workspace neat and organized. This kind of quick adjustment can be invaluable in a fast-paced work environment. Remember, the more organized you are, the more you'll be able to focus on what's truly important, getting things done efficiently and effectively. With this newfound skill, go ahead and experiment with the different columns on your Monday.com board to see just how much smoother your workflow can become. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.